Guys, today we'll talk about how can you change name on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on account down here. When you just click here on accounts, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on view accounts. You just click here on view accounts, then it's going to enter with you to this list here. Click here on contact information. So then you enter to next here. Then all you have to do now, just copy your first name. Then here can you change it, and here can you change last name here. So that's all you have to do to change your first name and last name here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.